Hey guys, I'm Dipti and welcome to my channel Your Kitchen, Your Rule. In today's episode, we are going to make Veg Mayo Grilled Sandwich. You might have made sandwiches so many times. Now try this recipe and I'm sure you will like this. It is a perfect amount of mayonnaise, cheese, vegetables, chutneys and everything. It's a perfect combo. Before we start, please consider to subscribe my channel and hit the bell so you will be notified by my new upcoming recipes. So now let's start.
All the ingredients and their measurements are listed in the description box below. Take 3 slices of bread. I am not applying butter inside the sandwiches because I will apply a generous amount of butter outside while grilling. But you can apply butter inside also if you wish to. I am directly applying green chutney. I have already shared a video on how to make chutneys in which I have made 2 chutneys. I will share the link in the description box below so you can check out from there as well. Now apply the chutney on 2 breads. I usually apply corners and borders also, otherwise from the side it will taste neutral. Now I am arranging the first layer of veggies. I am using boiled beetroot. I usually prefer to slice the boiled beetroot and potato at the time of arranging them. If you slice them earlier, then they might break into pieces. You might have seen the sandwich wala cutting these boiled veggies at the time of serving. Now tomatoes. Now take care of one thing, not to overload bread with veggies. You can select veggies as per your choice, but this combo is perfect for my family members. Now onion. I prefer onion rings. Capsicum cut in juliennes. Now as I said, I slice the boiled potatoes at the time of arranging. Now season the veggies with sandwich masala and chaat masala. If you guys wanted me to come up with how to make all the masalas at home, do let me know in the comment section below. I will make separate videos on different homemade masalas. Now cheese. Grate generous amount of cheese. Cheese will act like glue to put all the bread slices and vegetables together. Now for the middle bread, I apply butter on one side and I will put the butter side upside down and gently press it. Don't apply too much pressure. Now on the other side, which is now on the top, I am applying tomato ketchup. Yes guys, just a little bit of tomato ketchup will make a tasty change in our sandwiches. Now for the top layer, I have this grated cabbage. Into that I am gonna add mayonnaise. And I am seasoning it up with oregano, chili flakes and salt. You can also add black pepper powder if you want more spicy. But for me this is okay. Now incorporate everything well. You can take any vegetable of your choice like cucumber, zucchini, squash, whatever your heart desires. Now spread the mayo stuffing on the bread. Again, don't overload, just around 2 tablespoons will be enough. Now again gently press. Mayo mixture will also act like a glue to put everything together. Now put the last slice on the top with chutney side down. Press to align all the slices and stuffing. Now I have griddle, but if you don't have, then you can definitely make it on griddle pan or even flat tawa will also work. I am showing you how you can make these sandwiches on even flat tawa. Now as we haven't applied butter inside, we can apply lots of butter outside. Good amount of butter will make our sandwiches crispy and tasty. So apply a lots of butter outside. Now I am keeping the butter side down and on the top I am also applying butter. Close the griddle but do not press or lock. While our sandwich is getting ready in griddle, let's make our another sandwich on flat tawa. Heat up a flat tawa or pan, whatever you have. I have another sandwich which I have prepared the same way. I applied a lots of butter on the outer side and I am carefully placing it upside down on the tawa. Press gently. In the griddle machine, the top side is also being pressed and cooked simultaneously. While we make it on tawa, make sure that you continue press it from the top but gently. Keep the flame low to medium. Keep checking. Around after 3 to 4 minutes, when bottom side is done, apply butter on the top and just carefully flip it. And again the same way, keep pressing lightly and cook it for another 3 to 4 minutes or until it gets crispy and golden. Now let's check our griddle sandwich. It is also ready. Now bring down it on chopping board and cut it triangular. Let me show you how it looks. And look at that! Our sandwich looks so tempting. It's healthy because we have used a lots of vegetable. And look how crispy it is. I can easily hold it in my hand and it doesn't fall down. And now let's see our tawa sandwich. It's also turned out crispy and delicious. Do try this tempting sandwich recipe at home and share your experiences with me. I will see you soon with another delicious recipe next week. Till then, bye.